Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start all of this, like the modeling in plates mass. And now we're going to continue working on this. I want to finalize the glass right here. So I'm going to get or to click on architecture and then on grid line. And then from here I'm going to set the height. So what I could do here is go to elevation so that we'll be able to set the height, and then from here we'll be able to align it on the other side. So here I'm going to select curtain grid, and I want to space it around 500. And I just want to maintain the 500. So you can even type it if you want. Here, for example, I'm going to type, I'm going to click right here and then select this one and then type in 500. Here again, it's not showing the height, but it's actually what is going on is it's giving me the midpoint here because it's not exactly 500 for this one. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's not something that is noticeable. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to my 3D and then do the same thing on the other side. But we could use a line from here. So even though it's not accurate, if you didn't get the 500, don't worry, you'll be able to do the same thing that we did earlier. So for me, I'm just trying to get the 500. If it's getting harder for you to see, what you could do is go to hidden line. And then here we have 500 again. And then there we go. So now on this one, we're going to add in the curtain grid. I'm just going to add it in the middle right here, and then three-fourths like that. And then here, I'm gonna go to the midpoint. And then midpoint again. And then here, just midpoint as well. This one we could just put 1000 each. And then midpoint for this one. This one, just leave it like that. And then now click on mullion and then all grid. And then let's change this to 50 by 65. Here I'm going to select this one. I'm going to leave this one at the last. And then I think we did everything. Now let's just add this one on this side and then this side. And then the ones in the middle, we're going to delete. So just use your tab to circulate on selections. Change your view so that you'll be able to see properly. Okay. Okay. And then I want to see it back again to realistic. And that looks good. The corner is not perfect, but it's good enough. And I just want to double check if I did everything. We have it right here as well. And then here, we just need to maybe push this one. Yeah, I'm going to push this one from the wall. AL, and then click finish. Look at it in 3D. So there we go. But now I want to change the paint. So go to modify, click on paint, look for gypsum wallboard. And then just click right here on this side and the one at the top. And then the face right there at the top. And then from this one, we can change the top here to something for the roof. I'm gonna use this porcelain just to represent. And then here, I want to change this to the gypsum wallboard as well. Just to have that separation at the top. Select that, and then that face only. So now I'm happy with this. I just want to move this one all the way on the boundary wall. And then just push it right here. I'm just being tedious right now. So next thing I want to focus is the front steps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ground, and then from here click on architecture, and then click on stairs. What we want to do first is to move it to precast stairs first, because we'll be able to handle it properly here. So what I want to do is from ground floor to first floor. And then from here, I'm just going to add this one and then click finish. Let's look at it at 3D. So now we just need to flip it. So go back here, select this, and then flip it other way around. From here, you'll be able to gauge that it's properly leveled right there. So now we could delete this and then delete this. And then we can select this and then change it to monolithic stairs. Once we have that, we're basically going to increase this size. So to do that, just edit type, and then now we could just change the depth. So here, right here we could edit this one. So we could just do 1000. And then from here, let's go back here and then push this one back like that. AL to align it there. And then we could look at it at 3D again to see how it looks. So we have 2 steps. And then what we could do is edit this now so that we could increase the width. So we can manually increase it like so. Let's try and align it onto this. And let's look at it at 3D. We can even push it all the way right here. So I'm gonna push it as well right here. So click on edit stairs again. Drag it all the way there. And then drag it all the way at the end right here. And then click finish. And that looks good. I like the look of the step. And with that, what we're going to do is we're going to select all the walls that is connecting right here. So this one, all this wall, we want to put it all the way to base ground floor. This one, all the way right here, we want it to be base to ground floor. I just want to double check if something got shifted. I think this one got shifted a bit. So I'm gonna undo that and only focus on the exterior, not the interior. So I'm unselecting them by holding on Shift. Okay. And then now we just need to change this to ground floor. And then this one as well. So here, might as well just select the walls that are applicable and don't increase the ones that we don't want. Okay, so that looks okay. So this one will be overlapping there, and then this one will be covered with the ground. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on ground, and then similar to our floor right here, floor number 1, CS, let's add in grass around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick line around the compound or the house, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add grass around it. And then here we could connect them. And then T-art, trim and extend those corners. And then from here, we need to trim as well. TR. And then let's box this now. TR that to connect here. And then we'll be able to just push it all the way to whatever we want. So this is all grass. Click finish, and let's see it in 3D. So it will look like this. What we could do is, for the floor, let's edit the boundary for the floor. Now we need to align it from the inside. So just pull it like that, and even right here. I think we could check this one out and double check. So nothing is overlapping except from here. And then we need to edit the one for the garage. So AL again. Put it from the inside. And then click finish. Let's look at it again. And nothing is overlapping there anymore. This one, let's do this. AL. And then right here as well. Okay, that looks okay now. Now that that's fixed, we can now add more design here. I'm going to add in a concrete around here. So let's go to ground, and we're going to have concrete right about here. So let's click on floor, edit, duplicate. This will be floor number 11, and then the material, again, this will be concrete. So just go for concrete right here, and then just pull up any random concrete that you can see. Press OK, and then OK. And then this will be our concrete right about here. But we're not yet done. We need the concrete for our street. So now we could just delete this SL. Let's split element, TR, trim and extend. Once you're done, click finish, and let's look at it at 3D. Okay, that looks okay. Let's add in our side street, sidewalk. So ground floor. I'm gonna put this one on a ground floor, and then I'm going to create a model in place, extrusion. I think that will be good. Another way of creating. So this will be extrusion. Let's add in another paint. So duplicate this. This will be number 12. Apply OK. And then here, let's do something that looks like this. Around 2000. And then another one at the side here. Let's align this and then give it some curve. So 1700 or 17,000 radius. Oops. 1700. Click on finish, and then let's look at it at 3D. Let's pull it up a little bit more. Around 50 is good enough. Or 75. And then for the side here, let's add in something. So go to ground, another extrusion, and then this one should be another paint. Press OK, and then let's create a rectangle right here, all the way to the front of the stairs. And then let's create a box from there. So 20 offset from the inside. Let's not put 20, let's put 50 instead, to have that thickness there. Click on finish. In this one, this extrusion is around 300. Let's look at it. Okay, that's good. And then let's add in something at the top there. So another extrusion. Let's just duplicate this. This will be 14. Apply, OK. And then create it from the inside right here. Click finish, and then finish, because we can always just select that and then increase the height. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.